Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is our second fashion vlog on our YouTube channel, and today's topic is how to walk on hills. But before we get started, I'd like to let you know that I wear sneakers most of the time, but still I have managed to walk on hills precisely. And the steps I'll be teaching you are from some famous articles that have matched my own experience. Number 1. Selecting a pair of heels. So here I am wearing a pair of block heels because it looks better than wedges and more comfortable than stiletto shoes. But if you're not confident enough to wear block heels, then wedges will be absolutely fine. Number 2. Heel to toe. The technique of walking on any kind of shoes is heel to toe. But when you will wear heels for the first time, many assumptions will arise in your mind, like, is heel to toe really applicable for heels? Well, yeah, but the way of walking is slightly different. Gently tap the heel followed by your toe, and you should always exert more pressure on your toes. And keep in mind, don't tap the floor or walk toe to heel. Number 3. Don't rush. Yes, if you wear heels, then you can't walk fast, and that's totally normal. But don't walk too slow, otherwise you will look unskilled, and if you walk too fast, then you will look clumsy and you may fall very easily. Number 4. Catwalk. Catwalking not only makes you look confidential and professional, but it also creates a great posture on your body. And you know, the top piece of heels are pretty thin, and catwalking will help you moving around very easily. Number 5. Walking in a straight line. I know many of you find difficult to catwalk, so before that you have to practice walking in a straight line. Walking on heels is very much different from walking in sneakers. And when you will wear heels for the first time, you will easily lose balance and might end up bumping into strangers. So make sure you follow these 2 steps and you will gradually become a pro. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Follow these 5 steps and trust me, you will end up looking like a professional. If you are new here, then subscribe to our channel, comment below your thoughts and hit that like button. Press the bell icon to never miss an update.